Do tough times make you want to quit homesteading? Well, let's climb the 4 levels of value together. Hi, I'm Scott, and this is Everyday Stories on Our Homestead. I have a story. I actually tried to create 3 businesses within a year span. I did do it, but it ended up in a horrible bankruptcy. I quit entrepreneurship. I totally took on tons more than I can handle, and it was awful. But I learned 4 things from this. I actually learned from Tony Robbins. There's this little momentum, I call the momentum cycle. It starts with potential. We all have unlimited potential, God-given potential, and we can become like Him. Number 2, we need to act on our best ideals. Do the best we can with what we know, and that will lead to results. The thing about the third thing, the results, they don't matter. Don't focus on the results, because what happens when you focus on the results is you get false beliefs. Because your results didn't turn out well, maybe you believe you're a failure. And then you don't tap into that unlimited potential. You start acting according to those false beliefs, and you get bad results. And then it just becomes a spiral down. You want to get this momentum going up. Realize your real potential. Act on that potential. Don't pay attention to the results. Pay attention to the key indicators, and the results will handle themselves. Then your beliefs will increase. Your own beliefs in what you can do and what your potential is will increase to match your potential better, which will help your actions, which will create better results and better beliefs in who you are and what you can do to help God in His kingdom. All right, so go to the blog for more discussions on momentum and how you can stop the downward spiral and get into forward momentum.